know, there's nothing more important to most Americans right now than our health, right? Trying to stay healthy. Well, once this whole COVID thing is over with, it should still be a priority. Well, there is one Valley organization that is expanding their services to make it a lot easier. Valleywise Health is expanding. We're going to hear all about it. But first, I want you to meet Claudia Inevenit. She is the Community Outreach Coordinator. And first of all, Claudia, let's talk about Valleywise Health, because you are all over the Valley. You have 11 locations.
Correct. First of all, thank you for having me. And yes, we're very excited over at Valleywise Health. We're continuing with the expansion. We currently have 11 community health centers throughout the Valley. I mean, we're everywhere, anywhere from Avondale, Chandler, Mesa. So we're pretty much everywhere. And of course, you can't forget the hospital that we also have, the medical center on 24th Street and Roosevelt.
Right, right. So, I mean, health is so much a top of mind for so many people. So this network that you've created to make it so much easier. You've also expanded over in the West Valley, in the West Maryvale facility. This is going to be a huge opportunity for families. Tell us about the newest facility.
Yes. So again, of course, we're excited. We have to say that all the time. Yes. So
And
we
you can.
So we did. We're relocating to a new state-of-the-art facility that was just built on 75th Avenue and Thomas, and that clinic solely services women and children. And not only that, but it's going to be the host of the Women's Refugee Clinic, which, as we know, it's a growing population and vulnerable population in Arizona. So we're happy that we're going to be able to offer those services within the community.
Yeah, it's so very important. Let's talk about, especially, for women and children. And in that case, we're dealing with specialty services, OB/GYN services, help with younger families. How are you going to be able to service the community in that regard?
Yeah, so like you said, we are providing the specialty services to women and of course pediatrics, but we do have OB/GYN services, we do have postpartum, we do have a program for teenage pregnancy within the clinic as well. And we also have resources as far as like a family learning center where they can come in and we can refer them to different organizations if we don't have it in-house. But one of the unique things about the Family Learning Center is that, it's open to the community. Anybody can walk in. They can, they can receive services as far as like car seat safety training, nutrition class, parenting class. So a lot of services and wealth of information for the community.
Yeah, and it's so very important. Education, we have to continue doing that. We're all so overwhelmed right now. The other thing I want to mention is that because of this facility and what Valleywise is doing, you're also making it available to those who really can't afford the services to begin with. Isn't that right?
Correct, and thank you for mentioning that. So one of the unique things that we do offer at Valleywise Health is that we do have on-site eligibility specialist, which anybody can walk in and do an intake on a state Medicaid application, which is the Access application. And if they don't qualify for that, we also have our own sliding fee scale program, which depending on their income, there are different scales that they can pay, when they come in to see the provider, which also services is good for specialty care.
Yes, excellent. Wow. Thank you for doing that. And I'm so glad that you came on Sonora Living today to tell our community about it. It is on the west side. And as I mentioned earlier, there are 11 locations all across the valley. Thank you so much, Claudia. I want to give our viewers some more information. You can find a clinic near you. Just visit valleywisehealth.org/locations, or you can call 1-833-855-9973 or visit the website and book an appointment, valleywisehealth.org.